Welcome back to the farm! More animals live here. Let's go meet them. Who is in the mud? A pink nose. It's a pig! And the pig loves to eat. She says, oink, oink. Can you oink like her? Pigs love mud baths. Mud keeps them cool. So clever, little pig. Pigs are super smart. They can solve puzzles. Bye-bye, clever pig. Bubbles in the pond, an orange beak. It's a duck. Quack, quack. The duck loves to swim. She says, quack, quack. Can you quack like her? Look at her special feet. Webbed feet help her swim. What a great swimmer! Baby ducks follow their mama. 1, 2, 3, 4 little ducklings. Wow! Look at those big ears! Who is hiding back there? It's a donkey! Hello! The donkey eats apples. He says, hee-haw! Can you say hee-haw? The donkey is so strong! He carries heavy things! What a good helper! Donkeys hear super far. Those big ears hear everything. Bye-bye, donkey! Someone is on the rocks. I see horns. It's a goat. The goat eats everything. He says, meh. Can you say meh? Goats give us milk too, and yummy goat cheese. Thank you, goat. Goats can climb anything. He climbed to the top. Bye-bye, brave goat. Let's go meet more farm friends. The pig gives us bacon, oh what a treat. The duck gives us feathers for our blankets sweet. The donkey helps carry, strong and neat. The goat gives us milk for us to eat. We love the animals, clap your hands. We love the animals across the lands. Does a pig live on the farm? Yes! Great job! The pig lives on the farm. Does a penguin live on the farm? No! Silly penguin! Go back to the ice! Too hot here! Does a goat live on the farm? Yes! Amazing job! Great job today, Explorer! We met pig, duck, donkey, and goat. Bye-bye, farm friends! See you next time! Next, we visit the safari. Subscribe! Bye-bye!